Hello, I'm Jacob with the Virtual Technology Assistance Program at Thomas Nelson Community College. Today, we will be covering how to use the WEPA website for our on-campus printers. So the website is wepanow.com. And I'll have this linked in the video description. In the past, we've used this website to download the print drivers to our computer, which you can check out in the video card or link in the description. But the website actually offers so much more than that. First, let's go ahead and log in here by clicking the button in the upper right. And our school is Thomas Nelson Community College, and your login information is the same as what you use to log into Canvas. So the first page it takes us to is the Cloud Integration page, and it shows us which services are already linked and the ones we can link. As you can see, my Microsoft OneDrive has already been linked, but if we wanted to, let's say, link Google Drive, we can just click here. And we can sign in here and we'd be good to go. Alright, so in the past we used the WEPA print drivers to upload our documents to the printer, but we can actually do that right from within the browser, no installation required. Let's click the document upload button right here. And here's the restrictions that we're limited to, so make sure your file meets the requirements. And now we can click choose your file and the Windows File Explorer comes up. And we can navigate through here, and this is where my homework is right here. We're going to upload my homework, and there we go. And of course here we have all of our printing options. We have the number of copies, we have single-sided versus double-sided, black and white versus color. If you're only printing one page, single-sided is cheaper, but if you have 2 or more pages, you will end up spending less money by going with double-sided. And printing in color is always more expensive than printing in black and white. Be sure to pick the option that works best for you. And once we click Send Print Options, we can see that our file is ready to print. So now we are presented with 2 options when it comes to printing. We can either enter this print code here at the printer by selecting I have a WEPA code and entering what is shown in here, or we can just log into the printer and enter the same login information as we did earlier, and our document will be right there. For more information on how to do that, check out our video on using the WEPA printers in the video card and linked in the video description. Okay, so next up is the Account Tools page. Here we can see our name, our student email, and the school we're registered with. Because our password is managed through the school and not by WEPA, we cannot change our password here. And the last option is to check the balance of a WEPA card. These can be bought from the TNCC bookstore, and by entering the card code, you can check the balance here. Next is Account History. Here you can see your previous print jobs and how much you spent on them. And up here is the Untag Card button. Now be careful, unlike the other buttons, this one does not take you to a new tab. Instead, clicking on it will immediately untag any card from your account. So click this button only if you are sure that is what you want to do. Now we've already seen the Cloud Links page, and the last one on this tab bar is the Support page. Here you can live chat with a WEPA representative, or you can read through some of the frequently asked questions. Alright, and on top here we actually have a few more pages. The first one is My Documents. Here we can actually see what is queued up to print, and if we want we can remove any of the documents. And if we remove that on accident, we can actually just click the Recover File button. Notice how it gives you a new print code right here, so the old one will actually no longer work. Next up, we have the Deposit Funds page up here. And here we can add money to our WEPA account so that we don't need to bring our credit card or even WEPA print card to the printer. We can just use the funds that are already in the account. And last, we have the print drivers. We've already done a full video on how to set these up, but the link is in the description if you would like to check that out. Alright, I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions about the material, leave them in the comments or send them to vtaptncc@gmail.com. Have a wonderful day.